Well, beautiful sunshine, mid 50s at 3:30 in the afternoon on this Thursday. Hey, have you noticed that the satellite imagery page has changed? The National Weather Service changing the files that they are making available to the public for imagery, and it's like anything. You kind of feel like maybe some of the older products were better, but we'll get used to the newer products. So on the visible IR blend, you can see highlighted in yellow, that's the big chunk of moisture that's coming toward us. We will see increasing clouds coming in overnight tonight, and then we will, in fact, see rain develop during the day tomorrow. It looks like there could be some light stuff in the morning, but I think in terms of heavier accumulating moisture, we have the chance to stay dry until late morning and maybe into the lunch hour. So again, maybe a morning drip, then around noon start to look for things to pick up. So increasing clouds tonight, 37. 49 tomorrow, depends on when moisture really starts to fall and lock the temperature down. Pretty wet Friday overnight and during the day Saturday. Not steady moisture, but several shots of pretty good rain coming in. Now here's the deal. The snow level Friday afternoon or by dinner time quickly plummets to about 2,500 feet. And some of the models love a transition to rain and snow, or at least a transition to a rain-snow mix over the valley Friday overnight into Saturday morning. But notice my temperatures, 36 Saturday morning. So snow in the air would melt. Now, if you live up in elevation, especially 1,000 feet, now you're looking at, maybe we get something on the ground Saturday morning. It would melt during the day. I have Portland getting up to 44. So this could be a mix of some hail, some graupel, which is kind of water droplets falling, then freezing around snowflakes. So it's just chilly, right? And then Saturday dinner time, east winds will be blowing. And we're quickly going to see measurable precipitation end, and we could even see some clearing. That takes us into a partly or mostly sunny Sunday. I have us at 27 Sunday morning. Now, east winds expected to be gusting maybe to 30 plus out near the gorge. And that means Troutdale could be around 40 Sunday morning, where if you live out in the country and you don't live in an east wind area, you could be like 24, 25 degrees Sunday morning. And then we keep that pattern alive with some gusty east winds in the usual spots going into Monday. I have 28, but again, could be easily mid-20s, 23, 24. In wind-protected, chilly areas. And we have really a dry forecast at that point going all the way to Sunday. Now, a reminder, a couple things. Number one, if you are traveling, get the latest mountain conditions. These are live conditions, 35 at Timberline. Again, way back when, I actually paid for a computer programmer to write these codes so we could pull these current conditions directly off of the ski resort web pages. So that's cool. All right, 2 to 5 inches up there Friday. Snow level eventually down 2,500 feet. I'm saying 1,200 feet, but maybe I'm wrong. If you live in Sandy, maybe you get some snow on Saturday. So if you're at 1,000 feet, keep an eye. But it might be that in terms of anything significant, it holds just above you. 6 to 8 inches potentially at the ski resort Saturday, and then dry after that. They're the resort links, so you can get all kinds of great information there. And a reminder, let's see here. I'm fishing around. I want to go to the coast page. Boop. Coast weather. Here we go. Beautiful clear sky for the most part over Gearhart from the Gearhart by the Sea camera. I love that shot, Tillamook. But there's the coast forecast. Look at this. 36 overnight tonight, 46 Friday afternoon. This goes down to freezing Saturday morning, so there could be a mix of snow showers at the beach Saturday morning. And then don't forget, you have these coast cameras. There's Oregon 18. Didn't mean to pop that up. I closed it out. But the bottom of the coast page, you have those travel cameras that can show you what the past conditions will be over, especially Highway 6 and Highway 26. Those elevations of past level are roughly 1,600 feet. Those could become snow-covered Friday evening, overnight, during the day Saturday too. I'll talk to you soon.